How to cancel transfer Deutsche Bank. Follow these steps. Log into your Deutsche Bank online banking account. Go to the Transfers or Transaction History section. Find the transfer you want to cancel. Check if there is an option to cancel the transfer. If available, click Cancel and confirm the action. If no cancel option is available, call Deutsche Bank customer service immediately. Provide details like the transfer amount, date, and recipient. Ask if the bank can recall or stop the transfer. If the transfer has been processed, check if a recall request is possible. Fees may apply. Wait for confirmation from the bank regarding the cancellation or recall request. Thanks for watching.